Good morning, everyone. Today's presentation session, and my name is Aditi Raj. I am honored to speak on the topic techniques of teaching a student in a school, especially in the 3 to 6, because this stage we are the foundation of our life, we are the foundation of our everything. Teaching techniques of teaching a student in a schools, a subject that has evolved over the centuries from the ancient gurukuls of the India to the modern smart boards of the today. Before we explore the modern methods, let's reflect on the how teaching was done in the ancient time. There are three stages. First is ancient method, second is Socrates method, and third is Confucius method. Let's discuss with ancient method. Everyone know that in ancient time, every student lived with their teachers in a gurukul. Learning was not just only for focus on academic, but also focus on holistic, including build our values, principles, physical fitness, and teaching us the life skills. This one-on-one mentorship promoted our deep connection with yourself and also promote your personal growth. Second, a famous quote is given by in our Asian textbook, Acharya Devo Bhava. It means that teacher is God. This ancient Sanskrit quote saying reflection the highest respect and spiritual role of the teachers of our Indian tradition textbooks. Second is Socratic methods. A famous Greek philosopher, Socrates, was used to questioning techniques. Instead of giving answer that ask thought-provoking questions and increase critical thinking. His famous quote is, education is the kindling of a frame, not the vessel, filling of a vessel. Second is and last is Confucius teaching techniques is famous for China. It means that Confucius emphasized the improve our discipline, respect, and moral education. His method is focused on repetition, dialogues, and character development. He once said that by the three methods we may learn through wisdom. First is by the involvement, by the reflection, which is easiest. Second is by the imitation, which is noblest, and third is by the character development, which is very important for us. Let us go with the modern method. Now today's education we use many new tools, but the core principles of the today's education remain same. We to educate soul, mind, and our body. Education help us to student to grow your responsibility, respect, and compassionate with human beings. It helps to teach the virtue of harmony, honesty, loyalty, and one of the most important, respect with other. Just like a gurukul, gurukuls allow the personal guidance. Student learning centers puts the process of the heart in core deeply in your mind. Activity, project, experiment help us the student to experience the concept in reality. Modern technology like use new tools, use apps, online tools help us to improve our mind, character, and also improve your knowledge. But in ancient education, according to ancient education, in the modern education is one of the most defective part. We do not focus on the emotional intelligence and character development, which is very important for us, because character development and emotional intelligence are becoming more essential once again in today's generation. And last is famous Benjamin Franklin quote is given by the when we teach when we teach when we teach and I forget, when we learn I may remember, and when we involve I teach again. So thank you. And last is teaching techniques may change, but the core principle is remain same. Our responsibility to student helps to grow your intelligence, helps to grow your responsibility, and many more things. So thank you.